please bear with my hair. Like, it's horrible.
I can't get over you. Letting my come me down.
Hey guys, welcome back. I have not been recording, but I was sitting here in this restaurant and I'm like, you know what? Let me not wait till tomorrow. Let me just record now. I'm at, what is this place called? Toba? In Delaware. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. They got the best sushi. They have the best sushi, y'all. And the best drinks. But I really just wanted to get on here because I haven't been vlogging all week. But I'm going to talk to y'all when I get home. I really wanted to tell y'all about the sushi. Look at the sushi. It's so good. Shrimp tempura with lettuce wrap, rice, avocado, mango, and spicy crab crunch. I'm all discombobulated. You want to try? So good.
Oh, you got crab meat in it?
On the top. Baby, it's so good. It's cooked though.
Just give me that little shrimp tail there right there.
But you like crab leg meat?
It's a damn shrimp.
Yeah.
That little leaf. Where the dip?
The soy sauce with the dip. Just try it. Can you try it? It tastes better than the regular one that we get.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because it's literally just shrimp and mangoes. Baby, you like shrimp and mangoes. Y'all, he's killing me. Just try it. It's gonna be so good. You gonna bite it. Eat the whole thing. Just put it in your mouth. You ain't even get the good part. The mangoes and the shrimp. It's good, right?
Did you guys have chicken skewers?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you so much. It's good, ain't it?
It's good right there.
See, y'all?
I told
See?
you it was good.
How you gonna tell me it was good?
It's,
It's so good.
I mean, not to like a curry.
They're better.
This about to be good.
I want you to taste this. This is literally just the crab meat. Nice and seasoned. Are they good?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Y'all, let me show y'all. Out of 10. Good. My hair looks so crazy. But I fuck with y'all, so y'all can see me like this, you know?
It's like a peanut sauce.
Yeah. They hot.
Hot as well. It burnt my tongue.
Yeah, that just came off the grill. This sushi was like, I can come here and eat sushi every day. I ain't never had sushi taste this good. I didn't. It don't taste all like fishy. It actually has like nice flavors. I think this was called like the bandit or something. Y'all, so I haven't been recording because I've been pissed off because I lost my retainer. Actually, I didn't lose it. I left it in a napkin at a restaurant and the guy, the busser threw it in the trash. Then he gonna tell me I can't look in the trash. Like, bruh, do you know how much retainers are? So I'm gonna put a GoFundMe in my description box so y'all can help me get a new retainer. I'm sorry, but this sushi is this shit right here, so good. I'm going to wrap this up like that. I'm gonna check in with y'all when our food comes. The real food. So this is our food. I got sesame chicken. I guess you got sesame too, right? And white rice. How is it? What's that mean? How is it?
It's good.
So we're eating good, thanks to me, because I wanted to come here. I did. I gave you two options. I said Aztec or Toba. I don't even know if it's pronounced that.
Toba.
Toba. Their food is so good, y'all. It's so fresh. Like, if y'all in the Delaware area, ten out of 10. From drinks to sushi, appetizers, entree. So good. But I'm gonna eat my food, so look, and the food is hot. Okay, so it's the next day. It's Saturday. I didn't have to work today, so me and my boyfriend are going to the gun range. I just finished pressing my hair out because yesterday it looked crazy, but I don't have on anything spectacular. I just have on this essentials crew neck and some tights, leggings, and I just pressed my hair out. So I will talk to you guys when we get there. Hopefully I can record. If not, it's not a big deal. But so we just got here. I don't know if I probably won't record in there, but it wasn't far. It was like 40 minutes.
When we took your ride down these steps, the senior room.
This is what the outside looks like. It's kind of big, but so I'll probably just check in with you guys once we're done doing all that good junk. I'm back home and I just finished cooking dinner. I just made some salmon and some rice and some Cajun corn. It was really fun. It was a nice gun range. The people there were nice. It was chill. It was chill. I think we stayed there for about like 2 hours or an hour and a half. But I'm so tired. Like, I don't know why I'm so tired. I think it's because I know that I didn't have to work. What else? I have a lot of stuff to do this week. coming up on Friday. I'm having Friendsgiving, and then I have to also plan for, I'm going to a birthday girls trip to the Poconos. It's like a weekend thing. I have to plan for that. And then what else? Christmas is coming up, Thanksgiving. I just have a lot. Have a lot to do. But it's all fun. But I'm about to eat. I'm probably going to eat and relax. It's 5 o'clock and the sun is down already, so I'm instantly tired.
It is time.
Yes, this is so beautiful. Y'all, I gotta show y'all my Christmas trees. Oh, let me show y'all my Christmas trees. So this is the first one. Look how cute. This is the first one. This one is red and gold, and then the table is just red and gold. Funny story, I had these 2 years ago, and my boyfriend's dad broke it on accident, so I ended up going to Hobby Lobby this year, and I found it. So I was like, let me just get one and bring it back out. But this is the other tree that everybody is obsessing over. So I'm about to show y'all. Yes, here it is. Everybody keeps telling me it looks like a magazine tree. Let me turn the lights on for you. So here it is with the lights. And then this is the ribbon and stuff on it. It's my favorite a little bit, but not really. And then here's the table over here. Just some Christmas, you know, some Christmas junk. But yeah, I forgot I have not been vlogging because why haven't I been vlogging? I don't know. I just said I was going to take a break. Not a break, but like, because I did post a video. I posted a sit down video, which actually did really well. I'm surprised. My channel is really growing from me being consistent, and I love that for me. But here's dinner. Here's dinner. So good. But I will probably check in with you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna try to go and get my nails done, so I don't have to get them done. Try to rush and get them done throughout the week. And Monday, or I can get them done Monday. I might have to get them done Monday because I'm not sure if my girl even works on Sunday. But Monday I have to do a wedding. I'm super excited. I might get some footage. I'm not going to the place to do her hair. She's coming to... Hey guys, so it's a lot of days later. It's actually Monday. I didn't work at my other job today because I had to do a wedding. I think I mentioned it to y'all the other day. I had to do a ponytail for a wedding. So I just did that this morning. I'm currently on my way to get my nails done. Please bear with my hair, like, it's horrible, but I'll be back on Friday, right before Friendsgiving. I did some returns at Nordstrom Rack. I need to go to Target, actually. I just need to get a few things. I really need to find something to wear. I'm probably just going to get like a Skims 2-piece or something and wear it. We're not getting like super dressed up, just like chill like lounge wear clothes, because we're just going to be in the house having fun, turning up, you know, our regular stuff. Tonight I'm taking a ballerina tea because my stomach is like, I need a detox. I have not had a detox since like July, and that's pretty bad for me because I usually like to do it at least once a month, or like twice every other month. Like if I don't take it in a while, I'll do it twice. But I will check in with you guys once I get to the nail salon because my camera's dying. So yeah.
Think I body roll, don't give a fuck about no. You like fuck my lord, that might call my lord. Love gon' set me up, bitch don't set me up. I'm with Tyler Young, he ride like the car, and she wicked, yeah, like whoa Vicky, oh my god, I'm damn not titty.
Good morning. It is a couple days later, I think. When the last time I talked, I think I was getting my nails done, but I don't think I showed y'all my nails. I just got my same plain, like, nails with chrome on top. I'm actually kind of over the chrome. I'm going to, next time I get my nails done, so probably Thanksgiving, I'm going to get, don't start moving all around. This camera be pissing me off. I'm going to get French again, because I'm kind of over the chrome. Okay, so we're back. Yeah, I'm just kind of tired, not tired of the chrome, because it's pretty. It really is pretty, but I'm just ready for my French nails again. Today's Wednesday. I didn't talk to you guys yesterday because I just worked at my other job, and it is so cold outside. So I just got off of work, came home, took a shower, and literally went to bed. Like, I went to bed so early. Yana had FaceTimed me, and I was asleep already, and it was like 9:08. Daylight savings is kicking my ass. Okay, so what else? So today's Wednesday, and I'm going to I have to do a client. It's currently 7 o'clock. I have to do a client at 8, and then after that I'm going to get my lashes done because Friendsgiving is Friday, and I can't believe it came so fast. Like, it literally came so fast. So I have a lot of running around to do for that. Not really. I just have to go to the market, get that stuff. I'm getting some pudding cups from my girl Miranda. If you're in the South Jersey area, make sure y'all go to the Pudding Palace. Like, what are y'all doing? Why are y'all still making pudding yourselves at this point? It's just like, just go to the Pudding Palace, please. Please. So I'm gonna get some pudding cups from her. I did order something off Amazon, like decorations, but well, I didn't order them yet. They're in my cart, but I really think I'm just gonna go to Hobby Lobby and get their like fall Thanksgiving decor, because it really don't have to be like extravagant. It's only gonna be 4 of us. I mean, not 4 of us, 3 of us. It was supposed to be 4 of us, but now it's only gonna be 3 of us. So our stuff be like small, so it don't have to be like over the top. It's actually better when it's small, because then you can like really, you know. So yeah, so that's all that's going on today. Why is there traffic up here every single morning? This light makes me late every morning. Like, no matter where I'm going, if I'm going to Jersey, if I'm going to Nordstrom, like literally every single day I'm late. But I have not gotten my lashes done I think I haven't gotten them done in a month. I really feel like I have not gotten them done in a month. It probably hasn't been a month. So I just finished getting my lashes done, and I'm about to pull up to my wax appointment. My lashes kind of went over whatever, but they look so good. Like, come on, stop playing with her. Why do people be playing with my lash tech? Like she don't eat every time. They look so good. I wish I had my contacts, but it's not that big of a deal. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, I'm not going to take you in to get my wax either, because I just got a lot.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Chapel Avenue.
A lot to do in a little bit of time, so yeah. I will see you guys once I'm all waxed in. So I just have to come to the mall because my car charger broke and my phone is dead. So I have to go to this stupid Apple store. I would just go to Ayana's house, but I don't know if she's home yet. I know she was going somewhere, but I don't know if she's home. So I don't want to just go to her house. Maybe they'll let me charge my phone till it turns back on. I could text her. But I really don't want to buy another charger when I have a charger at home. Oh, it smells like a pretzel in here. Well, they got Toys R Us inside of Macy's now. Oh, Macy's has all their Christmas stuff up. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm okay with it. It looks so cute. So yeah, let me go in this freaking Apple store. They're letting me charge my phone, and then I'm gonna buy
Small, medium, or medium more?
a charger. Y'all, I have not been in the Apple store since I came back from Cancun because my phone broke on the yacht. I have to get a new one. But I do want the new, what is it called? Come on, phone, just turn on so I can go. So we just left Hobby Lobby. We got some cute ass decorations for Friendsgiving, and we only spent $80 because everything was 75% off. We're in Target now because we want to get some. Oh, Yana, these are cute.
Yeah, no, I wore it. I wore it, but
we have to get plates and then some.
because I started to sort them and then put them all back in there.
We just need to get plates. Hopefully they have something. Target just makes you think you need stuff that you don't. Like a beverage dispenser can. Are you kidding me? Look how cute this is. This is cute. Should we get these napkins or no?
Oh, they
I like how they long.
Yeah.
They can go on top of the plate.
Yeah.
Beverage dispenser. Do you want me to bring my thing like this from Chris Party? Let me see.
That's so cute.
Stop. It's all like crooked, but it is cute. Wow. Look at this, y'all. Amazing. Oh, y'all, Target has so much Christmas stuff now. When I was doing my Christmas tree, they didn't have anything. So cute. So cute, these little crowns. Look at all of this stuff. Look at this fine ornament. Y'all, happy Friday. Today is officially Friendsgiving. And I just left the shop. I had to go to the bank. Then I came over to the mall and got my addiction. My camera's dying. But I'm about to go pick up the banana pudding cups, and I will check back in with y'all when I get to the Airbnb because my camera's dying. So I just got to the Airbnb. It's super cute. I'm gonna give you guys a tour when I charge my camera up, but for now I just put the chicken in the oven so it can bake. So my camera is charged. It's a lot a bit later. It's about 6 o'clock. Yan just got here. She's cooking the meatballs. I made the string beans, the chickens in the oven. And I decorated. We're just ready, you know, to turn up. Oh, I'm supposed to show y'all the Airbnb. My bad. So, this is the front. You can't wear shoes in the house. But the exposed brick is so cute. And then it's just the living room area. The couch. You know, the decorations, the steps. Turn around, Yana. This is the kitchen. Yana doesn't have on the shirt, so. This is the kitchen. It's so cute in here. I love all the, like, yeah.
Oh, my bad.
You're good.
It's a slotty.
Look at this, y'all.
Yes.
Come on. Y'all kitchens don't do this. Yeah, y'all kitchens could never. And that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Yo.
Alright, that's enough. So let me show y'all. Let me show y'all upstairs.
No.
That's your phone?
Yeah, it's mine.
Oh. Show y'all. Yeah. This is the mirror. Yeah. This is the first bedroom. The shower. The bed. It's cute in here, y'all. So cute. Oh, this is the other room. And this is... Wait till y'all see this bathroom. Y'all gonna gag. This is the other room. This is the bathroom. Look at this up. Stop. Are you kidding? So cute. So cute. Tiptoeing in my marble floors. Anyway. Y'all like my slippers? I think I showed y'all these in a previous vlog. They're from Target. But I just wanted to check in with y'all because I'm about to turn it up. We're about to be lit. Well, whatever. You fine. We're about to be lit. About to turn up. We about to be outside. All that.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out, familiar be bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out. whole shit. Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless. And my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they ruthless. I can hit the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another police, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Slipping the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he into my chata. In the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he into my chata. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like loosely. Bitch, I buy my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, but really be bringing them cats out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. With the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they ruthless.